Today I'm going to show you how to make a shooter for your pinball using a pencil, a straw, a rubber band, some tape, and some scissors. Okay, first you're going to cut your straw so it's shorter than your pencil. You're going to stick your pencil inside of your straw. So see, it's sticking out on either end. You're going to take your rubber band and you're going to tape it to the pencil. You can use duct tape or masking tape. Just make sure it's nice and tight around that pencil. So again, just one end of the rubber band, and you could cut the rubber band if you wanted to, or leave it together. It's up to you how you want to do it. And then you're going to take your rubber band. That didn't work. Okay, so see how my pencil's not sticking out? So you're going to cut that off a little bit so that your pencil does stick out, because you want it to shoot and hit your marble. So now I'm going to tape the other end of the rubber band to the straw. Again, make sure that's nice and secure. Doing this very quickly. And then that way, you have a nice shooter. Let's pretend like that's the marble, increasing the elastic potential energy, and then ka-chow!